Hashmap Megabytes.
Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate Snowflake with the Atlan. So let's go through integration, new integration. Select Snowflake, click on next. So first step for every integration is to create credentials, which will be used to connect to source system. So here one set of credential is already created, but then we'll go through create new credential to see how to create credentials. So this is a credential name. This is unique name you can set up for reference. Then account name. So in my case, it is Hashmap. This refers to Snowflake account name. Then username and password associated with your Snowflake account. And you need to test credentials. Now, as we already have one credential set created, we'll use that credentials and then click on test credentials. Credential details are correct. So we'll move to the next step. Crawler name. Again, crawler name is a unique name that you can set up for reference. Then include database, schema, tables, and view, which are accessible to the credentials. If you want to include everything, just keep this default setting, else uncheck this box and select a database or schema or table or view which you want to include. For example, I want to include a complete DG sandbox database. From the Fivetran DB database, I just want to add DG sandbox schema. Now, if you want to execute your crawler on a schedule, then add schedule to it. If you want to execute it just for one time, then directly go to create and run. Let's see how to add schedule to the crawler. So you need to set frequency for the crawler. So frequency can be daily, weekly, or monthly. If frequency is set to daily, you can select start time and time zone. And then once every day, if you want to skip few days, you can set. Do you want to execute only on weekdays or do you want to execute only on weekends? If weekly is selected, you can select start day of a week, or you can even specify a specific day of a week, or even a multiple specific days of the week. If it is monthly, similarly, you can select day of a month, and if you want to skip every month, every 1 month or every 2 months, you can set accordingly. Or even you can select specific month on which you want to execute this particular crawler. The last step is click on create and schedule to finish the crawler setup. Thank you for watching.
Hashmap Megabytes.